Do you know what a scary 5 kg Alaskan crab can teach us about team building? Let's find out. Here at Kitchen Showdown, we bring teams closer together using cooking. Now, you're probably thinking, cooking is boring. I don't want to do that. Maybe you're right, cooking is boring, but that's not exactly what you'll be doing at Kitchen Showdown. We have a couple of challenges that will push you to your creative limits and force a breakthrough. For example, in our Snap and Go challenge, you'll learn how to be quick on your feet and work under time pressure. In the Mystery Box challenge, you'll be given a surprise ingredient. Win this challenge by flexing your creativity and adapting well to changes. We have 5 other challenges like these, specially curated for your team. Each one unlocking a hidden strength even you didn't know you had in you. And that is why some of the biggest companies in the world like... and even the Prime Minister's office trust us and bring out the best in their teams. Because at Kitchen Showdown, it's not about the cooking. It's about the camaraderie. It's about self-discovery. It's about learning more about the people you spend 5 days a week with and learning how to bring each other's strengths out. And of course, it is also about a valuable team building lesson this crab can teach us. And what exactly is that about? Head on over to Kitchen Showdown and we'll share it with you. You're still here. Don't forget to contact us before you leave.